The question is, what is Leaflet? In fact, Leaflet is a lightweight, open source JavaScript library for building interactive maps in the browser. It offers pan, zoom, basemap tile, markers, vector layers, pop-ups. It's mobile friendly and extensible via plugins, and also you can use it directly in JavaScript or through high-level bindings like R's Leaflet for Shiny and Python's Folium without writing JavaScript. The most the most basic code that can help us create a map is the code that you can see here. Here I have the RStudio environment open, and this is the most simple code that you can use to start with Leaflet. First, you should add the library Leaflet, then assign the name, or assign the map to a variable name, as I selected here my map, so you can reuse it later. Then Leaflet starts an empty interactive map widget, and then with this percentage greater than percentage, which is called pipe, you can in fact use this pipe to write nested functions more clean and in one line. With using this pipe, then you can add a tile, which in fact starts it starts a base map or adds a default base map. Here with add tile, it's a base map from OpenStreetMap. Then the set view, again the pipe, you use the pipe, and then the set view with some longitude and latitude, and zoom in fact sets the starting center and the zoom level. You can fill the longitude and latitude with some numeric coordinates if you have some in mind. I just put some random coordinates and the zoom 10 or maybe 11. Then if we run the code, let's see what will be the result. Okay, so we have a map here. The simplest map that you can create with Leaflet, and you can easily zoom in and zoom out. Later you can add some points, some layers, some polygons, some pop-ups, and so on. Here I have another code that again helps you to have the most simple base map with Leaflet. So you can either use the code above, or so there are many varieties, or you can use one example as I wrote it in the second example. Library Leaflet is added, then Leaflet, which as I said, it starts interactive widget, pipe, add providers tile. The difference is that here we use add tile, which adds a base map from OpenStreetMap, but here add providers tile adds some base map from a specific provider. Then again pipe, and again the set view, there is no difference, the set view exactly as we had before. Then I add the same random numbers, or maybe this time a little different, and let's see, with Control Enter I run the code. So as we said, this zoom 15, it's a little bit too much zoomed in, but more or less the same area on the map. So now you get familiar with Leaflet, and you could create very basic base map with Leaflet. Now you can start with Leaflet, and with trial and error you can learn much more.